One day, I was promoted to a new class at my English center. Little did I know, I was about to meet someone special. The teacher had an interesting method: half an hour for grammar and half an hour for speaking practice in pairs. After the grammar session, we were paired for speaking practice. I was paired with a female student. She was cheerful and interesting. When she introduced herself, we found out we were from the same country. That day, a small introduction started a pleasant connection between us. Little did I know, it would grow into something more special. Over the 2 months, we often sat together for speaking practice. Slowly, a pleasant connection grew between us. I loved her cheerful nature. She always spoke in a happy mood. After a month, our friendship slowly turned into love. I often arrived 5 minutes late to class. When I entered, she would smile and show her happiness. One day, a male student told me, "When you enter the class, Nahid smiles. Maybe she likes you." After a month, I also developed soft feelings for her. Slowly, our friendship turned into love. When she sat with me, she was always cheerful, speaking in a loving and playful manner. The second month was almost over. Every class ended with a test. I feared that after the test, she might be promoted to another class, and I might also be in a different class. Our connection could end. So I decided to write her a letter. In the letter, I offered my support in any need in her personal life. My intention was pure. I just wanted to help whenever she needed. On the day of the test, just before it started, I gave Nahid the letter outside the academy. Unfortunately, I did it in front of her friend. After the test, she asked me what to do with the letter. I told her to read it calmly at home. There was a 5-day break after the test. When results came, we had coincidentally received the same marks. The next day, we sat together in the new class. I was very happy to be together again. That day, I realized how small gestures, like a smile or a letter, can make someone's day special. Our bond grew stronger. Love is beautiful, but education is also important. Respect and trust strengthen relationships. True friendship and love make us better humans. The next day, I arrived at class, but Nahid was not there. After class, when I stepped outside, I saw her standing with 2 of her friends. Her friends spoke loudly and rudely, asking why I had given Nahid the letter. I was afraid she might make a scene and inform the academy management. I didn't want trouble for myself or for Nahid. Due to fear and misunderstanding, I had a brief argument with her friend and left the academy without talking to her further that day. The issue remained unresolved. For 3 to 4 days, I couldn't attend class because I was busy. A few days later, when I returned to class, she had stopped attending the academy for some reason. This way, our genuine bond of love remained incomplete. I completed that class and then joined another academy to learn digital marketing. After that, she started taking classes in the old academy again. Since I was in a different academy, our bond weakened after the previous misunderstanding. Even today, my feelings of love for her are alive. We shared a true bond and sincere love. Unfortunately, giving the letter in front of her friend caused misunderstanding and a crack appeared in our relationship. This is a story full of connection, love, experiences, and lessons. True friendship and love make us better humans. Even if life takes different paths, the memories and lessons remain forever.